This mountain view, right? We are in the car show, guys. So, wala pa ibang sasakyan na dumating. Kasi maaga pa. It's 7:30 here. So, ayan yung car. Ayan, guys. Ayan yung jeep ng aking gogo. So, mayroon pa dyan, guys, oh. So, kunti pa lang dumating kasi maaga pa. So, see you next letter, guys.